Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing the 4K for Ready Player One, the steelbook. This is a Best Buy exclusive, as you can see. It comes with the 4K disc, the Blu-ray, and the digital code. Here's the J card. I don't know if you guys can pause and zoom in on that. This one I got not too long ago as well. I think I paid like $25 for it, and originally it was like $35. So it was a pretty good deal. I like how they put this on here, so it keeps it from getting that spine slash that most steelbooks get now. But as you can see, this is going to be an all matte finish, as is the back, and none of this is embossed. And there we have the spine. And here we have the inside of the steelbook, the 4K disc and the Blu-ray. Here's the full artwork on the inside. And then the full steelbook. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.